All right, and here's my egg sunny side up. Look at that. My name is Jeff, and I live in Queens, New York.
Oh, yeah.
You may remember me from last season where I made an Instant Pot meatloaf and mashed potatoes.
I love it.
One of my favorite things to do is to cook with eggs, mostly because they're really very simple. You can scramble them, you can make them over easy, you can make an omelet with them, and you can, of course, hard boil them. So today, with my love of eggs, I want to try the cloud eggs. Who doesn't want to eat something that looks like a cloud? That's like a cotton candy looking egg. I'm ready to try this out. Let's get cracking. In this case, I have to separate the egg whites from the egg yolks. And now it is time to take all these egg whites and blend them until they form stiff peaks. So now I want to add in 1/4 cup of a grated Pecorino Romano cheese, and I'm going to also add 1/4 cup of a shredded Parmesan cheese. I'm making 4 little mounds of these cloud egg mixture. I preheated my oven to 450 degrees, and I'm going to put this in for 3 minutes. Now I want to quickly pour each of the egg yolks back into the center. And I'm gonna quickly pop this back into the oven for a remaining 3 minutes. I am impressed. I am impressed because they look beautiful. Richard, come and get it.
Oh, wow. I've never had an egg quite like that.
Now you're gonna school us because you love the Instant Pot so much.
This is my domain right here.
I know.
I love it.
You
I love
roll
it.
deep with the Instant Pot.
And one of the best things about it, Rachel, is you can find a new way to hard boil eggs now. Forget putting it in the boiling water.
You forget that.
Forget it.
No.
I'm gonna show you how easy it is to do.
Okay.
1 cup of water.
1 cup of water.
Pour it in the pot.
Pour it in the pot.
I'm gonna take a few eggs here. You know, take 6 or so, whatever.
Okay. Half a dozen.
Half a dozen. She's so much more proper than I am with this stuff. And then you put the lid on top. You just seal it here. And I'm gonna go literally for 6 minutes.
6-minute egg.
That's all I did. That's literally all.
That's it.
I didn't boil water, none of those shenanigans.
Nothing.
We don't need that.
Nothing. No timing. No
Exactly,
nothing.
exactly.
No.
So when this is all done, let's say we're finished now.
Okay.
We'll reveal. We have our eggs here. We'll put them in a
This
quick.
thing sounds like R2-D2. It's kind of freaking me out. Nobody told me that the Instant Pot talks so much.
And then from there, you put them into a quick little egg bath. You know, you just cool them off real quick.
You know what? You know what helps them even more
Tell
is if
me.
you crack their little jackets. If you crack their shells, the water gets in there and loosens it up. Easier
Unbelievable.
peeling.
Masterclass, always with
From
you.
me
Always.
to you.
I am praised. And
Okay.
then from here,
and
you know.
this is 6-minute egg?
That's literally it. What do you think?